Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.